Hey, sweetie. Good morning. How's your sleep? That's good. I'm glad. I'm glad your sleep is good. How's your how's your stomach doing? It's good. That's good. How's your head? Do you still have the headache? No? That's good, baby. I'm glad you're feeling better. No, can I get you anything? Okay, we can cuddle, okay? Come here. Come on, let's cuddle. Come on close. I want to keep you really, really warm. There we go. You know, it's gonna be the three of us pretty soon. Me, you, and the baby. To me, it's still a little bit wild. I really thought in a million years that I would never be a father. But having one on the way with you, it's such a dream come true, honestly. I'm so lucky. I know, baby. I know it's scary. It is. But everything's gonna be okay. Alright? Your baby's gonna be so beautiful. Everything is gonna be okay. You have me. We have each other. And we're gonna have a beautiful baby. And everything's gonna be okay. Because we'll always have each other. Let me rub your belly. When I feel your belly. Your skin's so smooth. It really is. I think I can feel the baby kick. Right there. The baby's moving, huh? No, I can't believe that we're gonna be parents soon. That's crazy. It's wild. No, sweetie, don't worry, okay? You really don't need to worry at all. You don't. You're gonna be a great mother. Of course, you're gonna be a great mother. I know. I know you're gonna be a great mother. Well, it's probably because you're such a caring person. You're so loving. You're so nurturing. I mean, that's why I fell in love with you in the first place. Of course. You're my everything. Of course. Of course. Of course I'm gonna be a good husband and a good father. I can promise you that I'm gonna be the best father. The absolutely best father I can be. I'm gonna love you and raise our baby. I'm gonna protect you and love you and take care of you guys. Because you guys are my everything. I remember. I remember when I first saw you. And I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. I was so scared. I was so scared to approach you. I was nervous. But I'm glad I did. And when you gave me a number, I was shocked and excited at the same time. And when we went on our first day, I fell madly in love with you. I really did. I still remember. I still remember what you wore. I remember the perfume you were wearing. I can still smell it today. You were just so kind, so caring, so nurturing. And that day I knew you were the one that I wanted to spend my life with. And here we are now. We're gonna have a family together. I know it's such a wild journey, but I'm glad. I'm glad I get to spend this journey with you. I love you so much, sweetheart. No, the baby's kicking kind of hard right now. Are you okay? Yeah, that was a shocker. I felt it. Sweetie, let me grab you that hot water bottle heat pad thing for your stomach. Yeah, it's gonna make you feel better, okay? Give me 1 second. sweetie, I got you the water bottle. Here you go. Here, let me put it on your belly. Doesn't that feel good? Does, huh? Of course, my princess, I would do anything for you. Yeah, let's cuddle again.